Guys, the view is insane here. Got the man Tai. Welcome to the Freedom Closer lifestyle, guys. This is what the life's like. You work on a laptop, you get to work from the pool, get to work from anywhere in the world, and make money. Let's go. We got the man Kino.
What's up, Greg?
There he is. Alyssa's gonna give me a live review here.
Let's go back here.
Okay, the first one. What do you think of the first photo?
Your hair, the bod's good. You can like crop out. Maybe not. Maybe don't start with that one. It gives off fuckboy. Dating me is like Wolf on Wall Street. Sure. Without drugs. Okay, that's cute.
Dude, she just said I'm soft.
What do you mean? You said your face is soft?
No, she said very soft.
See, first of all,
She said I have a soft aura.
Yeah, you have a very she doesn't mean soft. She just means very comfortable, very friendly.
Yeah.
I'm looking at his
Doesn't mean
And
this means soft.
Here's a
You know what? If I didn't know Bridger, looking at his shirt he's wearing
Right now?
I would think he's trying to move into one of these mansions here.
Let's check out the cars, huh?
I love it, dude. I need one of these, man. No.
This is the only.
Oh wow, this thing's stiff.
Performance for Super 70K.
Dude, this is fucking nuts. Wow. Dude, I love this thing. How many? Yeah, this is a
2022.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Wow. But this is like, you're feeling like you're in the Flintstones. You're riding on rocks.
Yeah,
We're
right.
having a nothing. I mean,
Yeah.
It feels like it'll be very stiff.
Dude, this thing is.
Woo!
It's a carbon
It's
fiber.
fast. All right, so I have a question. This will determine what is the next supercar I buy. So the Porsche is number 4.
Number 4. But if it's different color, a cute little silver, a cute little white with a little like string, like it'd be fucking.
Really? Okay, so if it was silver, so if this thing was silver and it was convertible and it was a little more chill, that's fuckable. Fuck-withable. Okay. Beats the Ferrari. Welcome to the Freedom Closer lifestyle, guys. This is what the life's like. You work on a laptop, you get to work from the pool, get to work from anywhere in the world, and make money. So guys, listen, if you're watching this right now, you see the cool lifestyle that this has allowed me to live. It's allowed guys like Greg and Marcel to be able to live this amazing lifestyle, and you want to be able to do it without having to go to school, spending a decade in university, $250,000 on college debt, then there's a link in the description. You can fill out an application. You can learn my entire step-by-step system. I put together a free 12-minute training for you. Would love to invite you to go watch that, and if it makes sense for you, book a call with me to see if working together and teaching you how I'm helping hundreds of students make their first 5, 10, 15, even 20K per month online. So I'm going to go ahead and set up this camera. I've got a call I'm about to take right now, and we'll take you guys behind the scenes. What's going on, brother? It's Bridger Rogers. How are you?
Good, man. Thanks for calling.
Hey, no problem, man. My pleasure. How you doing today?
Doing good, man. Yeah, just been a little busy, but doing good.
I love it, man. Well, dude, wanted to give you a call. I noticed you filled out an application to work with me. Holy shit.
I watch movies and.
Oh, that's sick, dude. The TV's insane.
This is cool, dude.
This is gangster, bro.
Yeah, it's good. Vibes.
Holy shit.
It's pretty.
PS Station?
Yeah, PlayStation 5, and then
Nice.
look at the closet.
Yeah, I want to see this closet. Damn,
Beautiful,
gangster,
man.
bro.
You got a great pad here.
It's a great closet right here.
The hat.
Yeah,
LA house.
the house is good vibes. The lighting here is the best.
Damn. See the ab check?
I gotta cut a bit more.
What do you mean a bit more? You fucking look ridiculous.
Thank you, dude. Thank you.
What are you at?
I don't know.
Bridger's pretty lean, man. Let's go. Okay, so wait, Bridger, go back to back because Bridger says 6'1" on his hinge.
I
don't know.
With the Alexander McQueens. I want to tell you guys a quick story. So when I was 18, I showed up with this dirt bag. Remember that bag I had when I was 18?
Yeah.
And Greg took me to LA, took me to Coach right over here. And he's like, dude, you gotta drop some money on a bag. Spent $600 on a bag. I almost shit myself. Upgrade your style, guys.
Oh, you really want the Toomey, bro. This is the real shit.
I made more money that month than I've ever made in my life after I dropped a bag on a bag.
Seeing his dance moves.
Yo, Greg.
Yeah.
You remember the Kino Dance Challenge back in the day?
Both kind of dance.
He taught me all my moves.
That's exactly what I thought.
All right, guys, so we're headed to dinner with Greg, Catch Steak LA. Get a nice little Kino feast. But I want to talk about a concept. I was just on the phone with my dad about. I want to kind of give you guys some sauce, little bridge tip. So it's called momentum stacking. And basically this principle is something that I kind of like to associate with Trump. Trump likes to momentum stack. When you're winning, you got to stack the winning. You got to start flexing the winning, talk about the winning, feel the winning. I always get the New York strip right there. That's it. Big 6'4" man grabs me. Literally grabs me. He's like, yo, he's trying to buy some ice, and tries to pull me into a group of guys with a car. I don't know if he's trying to sell me drugs. I think trying to steal my Rolex. I don't know. Like grabs me, puts a hand on my chest. His hands were massive, bro. And I just sidestepped his ass. I do my 10,000 steps a day. I was fast walking. And so I just sidestepped, like, no, I'm good, man. I keep walking. So I called my buddy that night, and I told him, I was like, bro, you know what I do if like somebody gunpoint tried to steal my Rolex? I'd take it off, I'd give him my wallet too, and I would say, now will you do it? Then I would say, before you go, just out of curiosity, what's happening in your life right now that has you in the position to want a Rolex instead of having the ability to just buy your own Rolex, live a cool lifestyle? And I'd start closing his ass, bro. And hey, look, dude, you take the Rolex, not a big deal. But dude, let me ask you this. You take the Rolex, that's only 10 grand. What if I could teach you how to make 10 grand every single month so you never have to do this again? That's what I would call. I say, I'll program 6 grand. I'll tell you what, bro. You hand me back my Rolex, okay, I'll give you 6K access to my program, and we never look back. We're friends. Does that sound fair enough? I fucking close his ass.
As a man that makes money and successful, just spend it all on your girl. Just be generous. Be generous. Be generous. You know, spend more on your girl than yourself. It feels better. It feels better.
Appreciate the now.
That's medium well at Catch Steak.
I've never seen this.